Looking to change up the look of your front end? Today in the XDP R&D Center, we're working on our 07.5 Duramax and updating the look to a more modern style with a fresh set of headlights. These Anzo plank-style projector headlights are the perfect match for our Duramax's two-tone black and red paint scheme. The plank styling bar has become increasingly popular on many late model vehicles and is now available for your truck with Anzo headlights. With a crystal clear lens, LED running light, and black housing, these headlights provide a clean, sleek look that's sure to grab some attention. Anzo designs all their headlights with computer-aided design, 3D printing, and other computer-aided manufacturing techniques in an ISO-certified facility, ensuring quality and proper fit in your vehicle. These lights are easy to install and are a direct fit replacement, designed with OE-style connectors for high beams, low beams, and the main connector. Most Anzo headlights are DOT and SAE compliant, meeting federal motor vehicle safety standards, so you can hit the road with the peace of mind that your new Anzo headlights can show you what's around the next corner. So if you've been looking to upgrade the look of your truck, check out XDP.com and get Anzo headlights that'll look great on your vehicle.